students, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. I am Rashmi again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi, where we are continuing with the topic probability. So as we have learned many things like what small terminologies are there about the probability topic formula and many things, different experiments, what events will be there, everything we have seen in detail. Now let's practice few questions here so that we will be getting more confidence about this topic probability. Okay, so the problem here we have from a pack of 52 cards, right? We know that total 13 type of cards are there. Out of these, 9 of them are the number card. Ace is the specific one card. Special cards, 4 types of we have. Among these 4 type, look, 9 number cards are there. Number cards, right? Then we have 4 special card. Out of this special card, we have 3 types of face card and 1 ace card, right? So likewise, 13 types of cards are there of 4 different colors, 4 category, and those category are 26 of them are of red color, 26 of them are of black color, and 26 again we segregated heart shape, diamond shape, spade, club for this black also, right? So likewise we have all these, right? This type of scenario. Now what they are asking us to do in the question, total 52 cards are there. Jack and king of black color. So black color के जो, so black color we have special cards, 4 type of ace is there, king is there, queen is there, and j is there. So black, jack and king, jack and king of black color. So black color we have 2 cards, right? 2 king of black color, and red color also 2 king we have. 2j of black color and 2j of red color we have, right? So black color and here also black color, this needs to be removed from this pack of 52 cards में से हमको 2 king हटा देने हैं which is of black color and 2 jack which is also of black color, we have to remove it. Now queen and ace of red color, I'm writing it with this black color now. So ace also we have 4 ace, so 2 red ace and 2 black ace, 2 red queens and 2 black queens. So we have to remove 2 red queens, ace and queen, and 2 red ace. Color are removed. Remaining cards are mixed and drawn at random. So total how many cards has been removed? First we have to check that. Look, so jack and king of black color. Look here I have jack and king of black color. These 4 cards has been removed. Queen and ace of red color has been removed. So the cards on which I put circle, those cards has been removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards has been removed. 2 red color ace, 2 red color queen, 2 black color king, 2 black color jack, right? So total 8 cards we have removed. How many cards we have removed? 8 cards, right? Remaining will be the cards with us which we have to now shuffle the cards. So remaining how many will be there? 52 minus 8 will be 44, right? 44 total cards are there with us now. Remaining cards are mixed and drawn at random. अब ये जो 8 cards हमने निकाल के separately रख दिए हैं that we don't have to use. Now remaining cards we have to shuffle it again and then we have to draw any of the random cards from this. Find the probability that the drawn card is. So first of all, let me tell you the number of total cards. How many are there with us now? After removing the cards, we have total 44 cards with us. Okay. Now what we have to find here? Find the probability that the drawn card is of red color queen. So red color queen we have removed, right? Red color queen we have removed. Find the probability that the drawn card is red queen. So red color की queen तो हमने निकाल दी है. So उसकी probability will be 0, right? Because red color queen we have already removed. Look, these both the queens of red color we have removed. तो अब queen तो सिर्फ black color की available है और उन्होंने probability पूछी है red color queen, right? So red queen, how many red queens are there? This is the first event, event 1. So event 1, how many red queens are there? 0 रेड क्वींस आर देयर बिकॉज वो तो निकाल दी हमने जो 2 रेड क्वींस थी आउट ऑफ 4 विच वी हैव रिमूव्ड. सो probability for the red queen, I am writing it into this way, probability for the red queen is 0 upon 44 will be 0, right? This is the first event we have discussed now. Now second event is of red color. Find the probability that the drawn card is of red color. सिर्फ red color का होना चाहिए, कोई भी हो, number card, ace, queen, jack, any of the card will work here. So सबसे पहले तो red color के कार्ड होते कितने हैं? 26 red cards are there, but this is not the original pack of card we have used. We have removed 8 cards from this. Out of this 8 cards, 4 of them are the red color and 4 of them are of black color. Look here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 red color cards has been removed. Now how many red color cards are there out of 26? So second event 2 is red cards. So red cards है कितने हमारे पास में? So number of red cards, number of favorable cards which is टोटल 26 होते हैं बट जिसमें से हमने 4 कार्ड्स वी हैव रिमूव्ड ऑफ रेड कलर सो वी आर रिमेन विद 22 कार्ड्स विद अस राइट 22 कार्ड्स सब बचे हैं हमारे पास में सो प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर द रेड कार्ड और प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर द इवेंट 2 विल बी 22 अपॉन 44 total 44 cards are there out of which 22 are black and 22 are red so 22 ones are 22 22 twos are 44 1 by 2 is going to be the probability for the second event red color वाले की इसकी 0 हो गई okay now the next example next event is face card the drawn card probability that the drawn card is face card so drawn card should be a face card right face card this is which event this is the event 3 so total हमारे पास में कितने face cards होते हैं we have 3 face cards jack queen king each are of 4 different category that means usually 12 होते हैं हमारे पास में but we have already removed 2 queens from there 2 jacks from there and 2 king as well look queen has been removed jack has been removed and king has been removed so 1 2 3 4 5 6 these 6 cards has been removed out of 12 cards so remaining are 6 cards with us okay 12 में से 6 cards we have removed so 6 are remaining with us so probability for event 3 that means probability for the face card is going to be number of favorable count of face cards divided by number of total possible outcomes. So 6 cards are there with us, face cards remaining in the kit and 44 out of total 44 cards, 6 of them are face cards. So 2 3s are 6, 2 22 times we get 44. Okay, 2 22s are 44. So 3 upon 22 will be the probability for the third event, face cards. Next is drawn card probability that the drawn card is a jack of red color jack card होना चाहिए red color का jack card so red color का jack card हमारे पास में कितने हैं 1 2 jack cards are there of red color 2 are black color और black color के we have removed already so remaining we have jack color only 2 right so event 4 is what is that event jack of red card jack of red color jack of red color so in that case how many jacks are there of red color 2 are there out of how many cards so probability for the event 4 I'm not writing the formula again and again now you have to mention everywhere in each and every step so 2 upon 44 is going to give us the final answer, the simplest form, which is 1 upon 22. So for the last event, the probability will be 1 upon 22. I hope it is very much clear to you all how we actually have to move ahead. Okay. So if they are asking us to find out to randomly, you have to pick out any of the card. Whatever the card has been mentioned in the event, we have to count the number of those cards and we have to divide it by the total number of cards according to the given condition. So here the condition was very much clear कि इतने इतने कार्ड पहले आपको निकाल लेने हैं डेक से and then you have to shuffle it and then you have to draw any of the card randomly. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everybody. Let's move to the another example in which we have to find the probability a dice is rolled twice. डाइस में कितने नंबर होते हैं 1 से लेकर 1 2 3 4 5 6, बट ये सिंगल डाइस जब हम यूज करते तब की बात है. If we have to roll two dice together, if we have to throw two dice together, so in that case n of s total possible outcome, I have shown you the sample space, पूरा sample space बताया था कैसा होता है. So number of all possible outcomes, just a minute, let me write it here itself so that we'll have sufficient space. Number of all possible outcome will be 6 to the power n, and as we are using how many dice? 2 dice, so n value will be 2 here. So 6 square is 36. That means 36 possible outcomes will be there. And we all are very much aware about those outcome. 1 के साथ में 6 आता है. पहले हम फर्स्ट वाले डाइस का रिजल्ट फिक्स कर देते 1. सॉरी 1 1 हो सकता है, 1 2, 1 के साथ 3 भी हो सकता है, 1 के साथ 4 भी आ सकता है, 1 के साथ 5 भी आ सकता है, 1 के साथ 6 भी आ सकता है. Similarly, if 2 we are getting after rolling the dice for the first time, अगर फर्स्ट टाइम रोल करके 2 मिल रहा है फर्स्ट डाइस पर एंड देन सेकेंड डाइस इज ऑल्टरनेटिवली गिविंग अस आउट ऑफ एनी ऑफ दिस 6 नंबर, एनी ऑफ द नंबर कैन कम 2 1 2 2 2 3, राइट, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Likewise, the sample space can be generated, right? What we have to do, we have to find the probability that 4 will not come either time. So इसको हम दो स्टाइल में कर सकते हैं. या तो हम वो सारे काउंट कर ले जिसमें 4 आ ही नहीं रहा है, जैसे यहाँ 1 1 है, आर वी गेटिंग 4 हियर? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. 1 2 1 3, यहाँ तो 4 आ रहा है. So that is why I'm putting a box over here, here and here also I am not getting 4. Similarly 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 6, this is also not giving me 4. But 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 5 3 6, this will also not give me 4. Similarly 4 1 4 2 वाला तो पूरा सीरीज में ही 4 है, so that we have to exclude. So let me write this 3 1 and ऐसे यहाँ पर 3 4 होगा, and then similarly here 3 1 3 2 3 3 like this. Now 4 1 वाला पूरा सीरीज ही मैं लिख रही हूँ because everywhere on the first dice I am getting 4 every time. So 4 4 4 5 and 4 6. Similarly 5 1 5 2, and then here 5 4, and then 5 5 5 6, then 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6, right? So how we will be doing? Either we will count all those outcomes where 4 is not available, या तो उसका उल्टा कर सकते, हम कंसिडर कर लेंगे कि इवेंट है कि 4 नहीं चाहिए उसको, तो हम 4 की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल रहे हैं कि 4 आ कितनी बार रहा है. So exactly how many times we are getting 4? Let me highlight this. 4 जहां जहां मिल रहा है 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 4 5 4 6 4 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 6. So 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 4, right? So 6 हो गया ये. Then 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 has already been counted first time. So 4 5 and 4 6. So 6 plus 5, total 11 possible ways are there. 1 2, look, let me show you here. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So out of 36, 11 of them are giving us 4. 4 इतने में आ रहा है. So getting 4, getting 4 is the event. If this is the event for us, 4 आने के कितने chances है? 11 chances are there. So not getting 4 के कितने हो जाएंगे? Not getting 4 के 36 में से 11 we will remove. So 36 minus 11 gives us 25. So event complementary I am considering this. So probability for the event or probability of getting 4 will be, probability of getting 4 will be 11 upon 36, and probability of not getting 4, not 4 I am writing, probability for E complement or E dash, not getting 4 will be 25 upon 36. If it is possible to reduce it further, we'll of course do that. But here it's not possible, so I'm writing it as it is. 25 upon 36 will be the answer. What they are asking us, probability that 4 will not come up either time. हमको 4 चाहिए ही नहीं रिजल्ट, राइट? हमको 4 एक भी बार रोल करने पर नहीं आना चाहिए. लाइक सपोज फर्स्ट टाइम में 6 आया, सो वी गेट द चांस सेकंड टाइम ऑल्सो. तो दैट इज वाई 2 times दे हैव रोल्ड द डाइस. तो फर्स्ट टाइम में क्या आ रहा है, सेकंड टाइम में क्या आ रहा है, हमको उससे मतलब नहीं, बस 4 नहीं होना चाहिए वो. सो किसी भी बार 4 नहीं आना चाहिए, नीदर फर्स्ट टाइम नॉर सेकंड टाइम. So that is why 4 should not come up either time. So 25 upon 36, out of 36, 25 chances are there जिसमें 4 नहीं आएगा, right? Let's move to the next example. Two identical fair dice. Identical, that means exactly copy of each other. So identical dice, fair dice have number. We know that dice पे number होता है 1 से लेकर 6 तक. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 numbers are there. But here we are using 2 dice, so sample space will have how many possible outcomes? 36 possible outcomes. Return on their faces. So on each face, one number has been marked here. Both are tossed simultaneously. हमने दोनों डाइस को रोल किया, दोनों डाइस को टॉस किया. What is the probability that the product of the number is 12? Okay, प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा उसका? 12 होना चाहिए. सो वी नो दैट अगर फर्स्ट वाले डाइस पे 1 आ गया तो सेकेंड वाले डाइस पे 2 लिखूंगी तो भी प्रोडक्ट 12 नहीं होगा. 2 लिखने पर भी नहीं होगा, 3 लिखने पर भी नहीं होगा, 4 पर भी नहीं, 5 पर भी नहीं, 6 पर भी नहीं. मुझे 12 लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट आई नो कि नंबर तो होता ही 12 नंबर डजंट एग्जिस्ट ऑन द डायस, राइट? बियॉन्ड 6 वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर नंबर. 7 8 9 10 ये नंबर्स होते ही नहीं है. सो इसमें सैंपल स्पेस बनाना इज मीनिंगलेस. वी विल बी सिंपली लुकिंग फॉर द सैंपल स्पेस ओनली फॉर द फेवरेबल आउटकम. सो नंबर ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल आउटकम we know 6 power n, that means 6 square, which is 36. Total possible outcomes are 36. Favorable event जो हो जाएगा हमारा, favorable event, which is product should be 12. Product 12 मिलना चाहिए. So product should be 12. That is only and only possible. 1 के साथ में तो किसी भी नंबर को पेयर अप करके नहीं हो रहा है. बट 2 6 में हो सकता है, ऐसे ही 6 2 में भी हो सकता है. फर्स्ट टाइम में 6 आ जाए, सेकेंड टाइम में 2 आ जाए, राइट? 3 4 में हो सकता है, 4 3 में भी हो सकता है. फर्स्ट when we are rolling the dice for the first time, if we are getting 3, सेकेंड टाइम में 4 मिल रहा है. और इट कैन बी इनटू दिस वे, फर्स्ट टाइम में 4 मिल रहा है एंड सेकेंड टाइम वी आर गेटिंग 3. और एनी अदर वे इज देयर? नो. सो वी कैन हैव इट इनटू दिस वे ऑल्सो, 12 के factorization करने पर. So 12 can be written as 1 multiplied by 12, but this can't be considered because 12 is not there on any of the face of the dice. So 2 6, we can have two ways for this. 2 6 6 2, that we have already done. Then 3 4 4 3, this also we have already done. So out of 36, 4 chances are there to get product 12. So number of, this is the event for us. So number of favorable outcome or number of all those outcomes which gives us the product 12, how many are there? Total 4 are there. Okay, 4 possible ways we have. So that is why probability of product 12, we can write it into this way. Probability for the event also, probability for product 12 also. Product 12. इसके लिए we have to write the formula, number of all possible outcome or favorable outcome divided by the number of total possible outcome. So out of 36, 4 chances are there. That means 1 upon 9 will be the probability here. 1 upon 9. Okay. So likewise, we got the answer for this problem as well. Next example we have, a game consists of tossing a coin 3 times. एक गेम में हमको 3 बार कॉइन को टॉस करना है. व्हाट इज दिस गेम अबाउट? द गेम इज, एक ही कॉइन को हमको 3 बार टॉस करना है. फर्स्ट टाइम टॉस किया, सेकेंड टाइम एंड थर्ड टाइम, एंड नोटिंग द आउटकम ईच टाइम. वी ऑल नो द सैंपल स्पेस इन दिस केस. व्हाट सैंपल स्पेस वी विल बी गेटिंग? तीनों बार हेड आ जाए या तो तीनों बार टेल आ जाए. 2 times head we are getting, which can be only possible into this way. 2 head, 1 tail, first and the last head, middle one is the tail, first tail and 2 head. Or we can have 2 tails and then head, first tail, last tail, middle one is head, first head and the last two are the tails. So total number of all possible outcomes, we will be having 2 to the power n, that means 2 to the power 3, which is 8. 8 possible outcomes are there with us. Okay. Now, if getting the same result in all the tosses is a success, success क्या है? तीनों बार जब भी हम dice, oh sorry, all the times when we are tossing the coin, all three times we should get the same result. अगर पहली बारी में head आया है, दूसरी दो बार में भी head ही आना चाहिए. That means all three times we should get head, head, head. अगर फर्स्ट टाइम में टेल आ गया है, ऐसा नहीं है वहां पर लाइक सपोज टू पार्टीज आर देयर, सो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा हेड हो गया तेरा टेल हो गया, नहीं. इफ आई एम गेटिंग ऑल थ्री टाइम्स द सेम रिजल्ट, तीन मैं जीत जाऊंगी. टू केसेस आर देयर, विनिंग, जस्ट अ मिनट, विनिंग एंड लूजिंग द गेम, राइट, लूजिंग द गेम. सो विनिंग वाले में तीनों बार सेम रिजल्ट होना चाहिए, मतलब या तो तीनों हेड आ जाए या तो तीनों टेल आ जाए. और लूजिंग वाले में ऑफ कोर्स जस्ट ऑपोजिट. सो यहां पर टू चांसेस है, अगर नंबर ऑफ all possible favorable outcome is even for the event which is winning, so 2 है, so losing का क्या हो जाएगा, e complement का क्या हो जाएगा, 8 minus 2 out of 8. 2 cases में हम जीत रहे हैं and out 8 minus 2 6 cases में we are losing it. So what is the success? If getting the same result in all the tosses is the success. सक्सेस इज तीनों बार सेम रिजल्ट आना चाहिए, तीनों बार कॉइन टॉस करने पर सेम रिजल्ट आना चाहिए. और लूजिंग हो जाएगा ऑफ कोर्स सेम नहीं आया, पहली बार में हेड आ गया, फिर टेल आ गया, फिर हेड आ गया, या तो पहली बार हेड बाकी दो में टेल, या तो पहली बार टेल बाकी दो में हेड, लाइकवाइज. ओके, सो फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ लूजिंग द गेम, दैट मीन्स नॉट विनिंग. विनिंग वाले की 2 है आउट ऑफ 8 चांसेस. So probability for success as I am writing, you can write probability for event also, which is out of 8, 2 chances are there where we can win this game. So 2 upon 8, that means 1 by 4. But we have to find the probability of losing the game. कितने chances है कि हम we will lose the game. So what chances are there of not winning? So probability for E complement of probability for losing the game is out of 8, 6 chances are there. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So losing the game has 3 upon 4 chances. You can check the sum of the event probability and its complementary event probability is 1. Probability of success plus probability of losing the game is 1. Sum should be 1. So here also we are getting the same answer. The probability that the drawn card from a pack of 52 cards, we know that 52 cards are there, 9 number cards are there, 4 special cards are there. In the 4 special cards we have one ace, 4 types of 4 different category, and 3 special cards, 3 face cards are there, jack, queen, king, which is again 4 categories we have. So total 52 cards are there with us. What we have to do, we have to find out the probability that after picking up any of the card randomly, the card is neither an ace nor a spade. वो कार्ड जो हमने randomly ड्रॉ किया है वो एस भी नहीं होना चाहिए, स्पेड भी नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट. सो वी नो दैट एस में 4 कैटेगरी होती है, राइट, सभी में 4 कैटेगरी होती है, हार्ट, डायमंड, स्पेड एंड क्लब. हार्ट, डायमंड, स्पेड एंड क्लब. सो एस भी नहीं होना चाहिए, स्पेड भी नहीं होना चाहिए. स्पेड वी हैव टोटल 13 कार्ड्स. इस 13 में से एक क्या हो जाएगा, एस हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 12 स्पेड तो ऐसे ही काउंट हो रहे हैं और एक एस ऑलरेडी इस 13 में इंक्लूडेड है, इस 13 में ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है. सो 13 स्पेड एंड एस, हाउ मेनी आर देयर, 3 एस आर देयर. Why 3 ace? क्योंकि 1 ace तो already it has been counted in that 13 spade, right? If I'll show you the previous one chart, look how many spade cards are there. I'll show you here. So spade cards, ये वाले spade card कितने हमारे पास में, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and here also we have one more card with us, right? So total 13 spade तो ये हो गया हमारे पास में, and out of these 13 spade, other than this 13 spade, we have 3 more ace with us. Total 4 होने चाहिए थे, but वो 4 में से एक spade card है which has already been counted in the spade category. So 13 spade plus 3 ace. We don't have to do it into this way. 13 spade and what, 4 spade. No, it should be 13 spade and 3 ace, like this, because one ace has already been counted in the spade category, right? So number of all possible outcomes we know 52, and number of favorable outcome for this event जिसमें ना तो स्पेड आना चाहिए ना तो एस आना चाहिए. तो पहले हम स्पेड और एस काउंट कर लेते हैं कि होते कितने हैं. सो 13 स्पेड आर देयर, 4 ace are there, but out of those 4 ace, 1 ace has already been counted in the spade category. So 13 spade, 3 ace gives us 16 favorable outcome, right? So हमको तो ये नहीं चाहिए. मिलने के chances कितने? Out of 52, 16 chances are there in which we can get either spade or ace card. But नहीं चाहिए कि chance neither an ace nor an spade. So neither an ace nor spade. So spade होते कितने हैं? Spade और ace मिला के total 16 cards are there. So नहीं होने के कितने हो जाएंगे? Out of 52 minus 16, we will be getting 4 minus 1, 3, 36, right? So 36 chances are there out of 52 in which we will be getting neither an ace nor spade. So probability for this particular event is going to be 36 upon 52, which gives me 4 nines are 36, 4 13 times 52. So 9 upon 13 will be the probability here. 9 upon 13. We can do it into this way also कि स्पेड कार्ड और एस कार्ड जैसे ही हमने कैलकुलेट किए, इवेंट कंसिडर कर लिया स्पेड और एस मिलना चाहिए, स्पेड एंड एस मिलना चाहिए. तो स्पेड और एस होते कितने हैं? 13 plus 3, total 16. So probability of not getting spade or ace, not getting spade or ace, right? Not getting spade or ace will be 52 minus 16, which is 36. So 36 upon 52 gives us the answer. 4 nines are 36, 4 13s are 52. So probability of neither event, probability of neither spade nor ace will be 9 upon 13. Next example we have, if a number x is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. How many numbers are there? The value for x, we have total 7 values for x. So x की क्या क्या value है हमारे पास में? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? We have to get the value for x square. So x square, that means -3 का square, which will be 9. -3 multiplied with -3, minus minus becomes plus, and that gives us 9. -2 square will be 4. -1 square will be 1. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. So what we have to do here, if a number x is chosen at random from the numbers this, then find the probability of x square. X square की वो सारी value which is less than or equals to 4. So we will be counting all those value which are less than or equals to 4. So 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. All these values of x square. X square की value तो हमारे पास में total 7 values we have. Not 7 actually. 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 में से 1, 4 तो repeated है. So total how many values are there? 9 is there, 4 is there, 1 is there, and 0 is there. That's it. Only 4 values are there, right? So these 4 values we have of x square. But what we have to do, we have to find the probability. So number of all favorable outcome, which is total 7. 7 outcomes है हमारे पास में, because one value we will be getting with -3 and +3. वन वैल्यू -2 + 2, एक वैल्यू -1 + 1 से मिलेगी और एक 0 से मिलेगी. सो x की कितनी पॉसिबल वैल्यूज है हमारे पास में? टोटल 7 वैल्यूज आते हैं. बट एक्स स्क्वायर की हमको सिर्फ वो वैल्यू कंसिडर करनी है which is less than or equals to 4. So in this event where x square is less than or equals to 4, we have the value 4014. Okay, 41014. That means 4, 1 and 0. These three values are there in which we are going to win it. But these chances कितने हैं उसके? 4 के आने के 2 चांस है, 1 के आने के भी 2 चांस है और 0 का आने का सिर्फ 1 चांस है. So total number of favorable outcome will be 5. 5 out of 7, 5 chances are there in which we are getting the case x square is less than or equals to 4. So x square की value, probability for the event is going to be 5/7. Or we can write it into this way, probability for the event x square should be less than or equals to 4. So x square की value less than or equals to 4 कितनी बार मिल रही है हमको? Out of 7, 5 chances, 5 different places we are getting x square is less than or equals to 4. I hope it's easy, right? Next example, let me just put the answer here, 5/7, which is C option. Next example, here we have a number x is chosen at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. ये हमारे पास में numbers है 1, 2, 3, 4. That means x की हमारे पास में ये सारी value है 1, 2, 3, 4. A number y is chosen from the numbers 1, 4, 9, 6. अब y की क्या क्या values है हमारे पास में? 1, 4, 9, 6, right? These type of values we have. Let me rewrite it into this way so that we'll have sufficient space. So x की values मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, y की values मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4. So x value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Y values are 1, 4, 9, 16. Right? All these values. Now what we have to do here? Next point is a number y is chosen from the number 1, 4, 9, 16. Then find the probability that the product of x and y. हमको वो इवेंट कंसिडर करने हैं जिसमें x और y का प्रोडक्ट is less than 16. Sorry, not equals to. It should be less than 16. Okay. So product of x and y is less than 16. x multiplied by y जहां पर भी 16 से छोटा आ रहा है, we have to look for all those numbers, all those sets of x and y. So here I am going to take the product. X multiply 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2. This is 1, this is 2. Gives me 2. 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 3s are 48. And 64 4 times. Now we have to look for all those numbers where we have product of x and y less than 16. So less than 16, just a minute. Yes. Less than 16 we'll be getting here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also the product of x and y. But 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 16 से छोटे है. 4, 8, 12. Can we consider 16? Of course not, because 16 के equal में नहीं लेना है. We don't want 16 also. We want the product should be less than 16. So less than 16 we are getting at these places. Only at these places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 6, 12 and 9. 18, 27, 36, 16, 32, 48, 64 will not work here. So we have to consider the product here. Product should be, product is product of x multiply y. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 12, 9. आउट ऑफ हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज, कितने आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं हमको? 1 2 3 4 4 8 16 12 9 18 27 16 32 48 64. So number of all possible outcomes here we have total 16 with us. X की 4 वैल्यू, y की 4 वैल्यू, 4 multiply 4, total 16 values we are getting as the product. But उनमें से कौन कौन सी values we have to consider? We have to consider only those which is the product should be less than 16. So less than 16, we have here the possible outcomes for the favorable one. X multiply y value can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 12, 9. We have to repeat this क्योंकि वो result है. रिपीटेशन शो नहीं कर रहा है, वो काउंटिंग शो कर रहा है कि 4 हमको 2 बार मिलने के चांसेस है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of favorable outcomes. Total 8 are there out of 16. So probability for the event is going to be 4, just a minute, 8, not 4, 8 upon 16, that means 1 by 2. Okay, we can write it into this way, product of number should be less than 16, and for that we are getting the probability which is 1 by 2. Okay, that's the event which we have written only by E. If we want, we can discuss that event if it is possible for us to write it. Okay, so the answer is 1 upon 2, A option. So isn't it interesting one? Of course, it is very much interesting. Now the next example in which something will be missing in the question, might be the total number of possible outcomes are missing, or might be that event में exactly वो कितनी बार हुआ है, that is missing. But the probability has to be given in this type of problem. Okay, so the probability of selecting a rotten apple from the heap of apple. ढेरी पड़ी हुई है एप्पल, बहुत सारे एप्पल्स रखे हुए. How many apples are there? 900. So total how many apples are there? Total 900 apples are there. That means the value for n of s we know. Total possible outcome. But इसमें कोई experiment, it is what type of experiment कि एक ढेरी रखी हुई है, heap of apple is there, and in that few of them are the rotten apple, few of them are the good quality apple. So that type of two categories we have, but उसमें से हमको छांटना पड़ेगा. We don't know exactly कि this one is the rotten. We have to check each and every apple. So the probability of selecting a rotten apple from the heap of 900 apple is 0.18. So probability of rotten apple is 0.18. Now we know the probability formula also. What we have to calculate? What is the number of rotten apples in the heap? Heap में exactly rotten apple है कितने? So we know the total कितने apples है 900. So उसमें से कितने apple rotten apple हो गए, so that the probability will be 0.18. That we have to check. So for that we have to first write down the probability formula. Probability of rotten apple will be number of rotten apple and total apples. We can simply put the value in the formula. Probability of rotten apple is 0.18 is equals to number of rotten apple we don't know. How many number of rotten apple we are not aware about. Rotten apple. But total how many apples are there? 900 apples are there. This can be easily simplified. 0.18 can be written as 18 upon 100. So 0 will get cancelled out, or else we can do the cut short into this way also. Let's transpose it. Number of rotten apple will be multiplied with this 100. So 100 multiplied by number of rotten apple. We can write a variable also in this place, number of rotten apple, x, y, z, any of the variable can be written, so that it becomes easy for us. Rather than writing this n of rotten apple again and again, we can replace it with a variable also. We can write it as x upon 900, right? Let me erase this also, otherwise it may create the confusion later. So 900 multiplied with 18. Now you don't have to take the product. Number of rotten apple will be as it is. 900 multiplied by 18, this 100 will come into the denominator because we have to transpose it. Transfer करेंगे हम इसको. So 0 will get cancelled out. Now 9 multiplied by 18 will be 162. So how many apples are rotten here? Number of rotten apple is 162. Okay, 162. This way we have to simplify it. Next, let's move to the next example. Out of 200 bulbs in a box, 12 bulbs are defective. How many bulbs are there? 200 bulbs are there. That means we know that total how many bulbs are there. Now, n of s की value कितनी है? 200. But few of the bulbs are defective, few of them are non-defective. So how many bulbs are defective? Defective 12 bulbs. तो non-defective कितने हो गए? 200 minus 12, right? Which is 188. If we take the difference here, yes, it will be 188. Now, what is the probability that the drawn bulb is? हमको दोनों की probability निकालना है. Drawn bulb is defective की क्या probability होगी and drawn bulb is not defective की probability क्या होगी? So, number of defective bulb. Number of defective bulb we have 12 and number of non-defective bulb, how many are there? 188. We simply have to substitute the value in the formula. Probability of defective bulb will be 12 upon 200. We just have to simplify this to get the answer. But yes, here the twist is the answer has not been given into the fraction form, neither into the decimal form. It has been given to us into the percentage. And we know percentage means out of each 100. So, like per 100, kya value hai? So, 12 upon 200, we simply have to get only 100 into the denominator. So, abhi 200 hai, that means we have to divide it by 2. So, agar maine 200 को 2 से divide किया, we are doing the cut short here. So, if I divide this 200 by 2, I have to divide the numerator as well. 2 6 are 12. So 6 upon 100 is nothing but the 6 percentage. Right? 6% is the probability for the defective bulb. Simply we have to get the probability for non-defective bulb, which will be again 188 divided by 200. So 200, that means 100 times. If we divide it further by 2. Why are we dividing only by 2? Because we have to convert it into the percentage, or percentage matlab somehow we have to get 100 into the denominator. That's it. So 100 लाने के लिए इससे better तरीका हो ही नहीं सकता. 200 का 2 गायब कर दो. So we have to balance it out. 200 को 2 से divide किया है तो numerator को भी 2 से divide करेंगे. 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. So 94 upon 100, which is 94%. This can be done into this way also. Event है हमारे पास में defective bulb का. Defective bulb. So how many defective bulbs are there? 12. So probability for defective bulb is 12 upon 200. If we simplify this, this gives me 6 upon 100, which is 6%. Right? Now probability of defective bulb plus probability of non-defective bulb should be 1. So here if I have 6%, it should be 100%. In terms of percentage, it should be 100%. But in terms of number or fractional value जब भी होगी या decimal value होगी, so it has to be 1 only. Okay, so यहाँ पर because we got the answer in percentage and we have to give the answer in percentage, that is why we have to substitute the value in terms of percentage only. 100% is nothing but 1 only. So 100%. Now 6% can be easily transposed to that side. So probability of non-defective bulb is going to be 100 minus 6%. Or 100% minus 6%, which further gives us 94% probability for non-defective bulb. So here is the answer and here also. So the answer should be 6% and 94%. अगर ये क्वेश्चन को सिंप्लीफाई नहीं भी करते आता है, वी आर वेल अवेयर अबाउट, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम आर दी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इवेंट ऑफ ईच अदर. डिफेक्टिव उसका नॉन डिफेक्टिव जो हो गया वो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा. सो ऑफ कोर्स द सम ऑफ बोथ शुड बी 100%, right? So 6%, 94%, that type of example only. Okay. So likewise, we have to simplify the problem by taking the help of all the properties about the probability. Next example, in which we have to find, this is the last example of today's session, a girl calculate the probability of her winning. कि वो कोई भी किसी भी लॉटरी में पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है तो क्या चांसेस है उसके जीतने के. So of course, if he wants to take part in any of the lottery competition, ज्यादा से ज्यादा टिकट हमारे पास में होंगे, सो विल बी हैविंग मैक्सिमम चांसेस टू विन दैट लॉटरी, राइट? जितने ज्यादा टिकट हमारे पास में होंगे उतने ज्यादा चांसेस हमारे जीतने के होंगे. सो गर्ल कैलकुलेट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हर विनिंग द फर्स्ट प्राइज इन अ लॉटरी. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ विनिंग, probability of winning is 0.08, which has been given it to us in the question. If 6,000 tickets were sold, okay, total कितने tickets थे उसके? total 6,000 tickets थे. That means n of s की value we are well aware 6,000 है. Then how many ticket has she bought? So कितने टिकट उसने खरीदे हैं ये हमको पता करना है. उसने ज्यादा टिकट खरीदे होंगे तभी उसके ज्यादा चांसेस है जीतने के. कम टिकट खरीदेगी तो कम चांसेस होंगे. सो वी एग्जैक्टली हैव टू फाइंड कि कितने टिकट्स वी हैव शी हैज ऑलरेडी परचेस्ड. ओके, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ विनिंग का फॉर्मूला होता है, एवरीवेयर वी हैव द सेम फॉर्मूला, फेवरेबल आउटकम. और फेवरेबल प्रोबेबिलिटी उसके अगर 0.08 चाहिए, वॉट एवर द प्रोबेबिलिटी वी वॉन्ट, favorable outcome will be maximum ticket she should purchase. So number of ticket has been purchased by her. Number of ticket she bought. She bought. Okay. And total tickets. That means N of S. Total tickets. So probability of winning, we will be putting the values into the formula 0.08. And the number of ticket which she purchased, let the number of ticket has been purchased by her. Here I am writing X. How many ticket has she purchased? Number of ticket she bought is X. So let's write this X here. And the denominator will be N of S. Total ticket was there in that lottery system. कितने tickets का concept था? 6,000 tickets they have to sell. So let's simplify this. Gives me X multiplied with nothing. Nothing we have here because X ones are X. 6,000 multiplied with 0.08. Let's simplify this, removing the decimal and getting two zeros into the denominator along with 1. Now 60 multiplied with 8 gives me 480. That means that girl has purchased how many tickets? 480, right? Which is not into the option. So 0.08. Let me make this 400. Let's make this 480. This will be the right answer. Okay. So 480 has to be the right answer, which was not there. So I considered A option will be the answer. 480. Okay. So how many tickets had she bought? She bought 480 tickets. Okay. So please look for many more example in your textbook and keep on practicing. Until we do not meet, you have to keep on practicing. And yes, if you are getting any of the benefit with these videos, do not forget to share this video to your friends, family and relative. Please subscribe my channel. Ask them also to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button as well. And yes, you have to like these videos. Okay. So bye everyone. Take care of yourself.